Hey there, Steven from Wit Digital. Wanted to share with you a real quick update about something new that's rolling out in AdWords. We've been watching it over the last few weeks and we've started to see it out live in the wild. It hasn't rolled out to a lot of accounts yet, but it will be rolling out over the next month or so. And that addition is the availability to add a third headline to your Google AdWords listings. So if you look at the picture here, you'll notice that there's only 2 headlines in this AdWords campaign. Now, look at this picture and you'll notice the third headline. So that's really the biggest thing that's going to change in this next rollout. Might not seem like a whole lot, but every bit of extra space that we can take up in our AdWords, we definitely want to, because it's going to increase the chance of getting clicked, and it's also going to take up the most real estate possible so you can push your competitors out just a little bit more. A couple other little things that are coming out. We're going to be able to add 2 more characters to the description. Doesn't seem like a lot, but hey, every character counts. And then lastly, in September sometime, they're going to be rolling it out to all accounts. We're going to be able to add up to 15 different descriptions per ad. And so basically what that means is you create one ad, you can write 15 different descriptions for it, and then Google is going to determine which one shows based on performance. So it's a little bit of like an A/B test, except you get 15 different options for it. So that's again going to be rolling out sometime here in September. We'll keep you posted, but just wanted to share that you may see some changes in AdWords when you're doing searches. You're going to see that third headline start to show up. Might already be showing up in your account, might not be an option yet. So just make sure if you're running your own AdWords that you're paying attention to it. As soon as it's available, you definitely want to fill it out. And if you're working with an agency doing your paid, just make sure that they know about the update that's coming. If you have any questions, let us know.